Hello, Brother Thane. So this is my app. I'll go ahead and start it up so you can see it running. It'll take a minute. It's a little bit slow. Sorry, I don't know why it's taking so long. It doesn't usually take quite this long. Oh, there we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, so basically, it just pops up and looks very much like the picture. I did have to make it a little bit wider though, because whenever I click on start the quiz, the numbers right here, they run out of space, and so if they were double digits, they would end up stacking. So I made those a little bit wider and just made the thing as a whole, a little bit wider. If you notice, the date does not appear when you first open the app. It doesn't appear until you actually start the quiz. I wasn't sure which one to do, so I just put it at the spot in the code. Also, was running a little bit low on time with the other homework I had, so I was like, well, don't really have time to look into how to move it. But hit start, and it comes up and it shows the time or the date, and then time starts counting down. We'll see if I can fill this out before we run out of time. See, if you get it wrong, they turn orange. Yep. You get it right, they turn green. Instead of having a sound, I wanted the color. And I got them all right before the time came up. So they'll turn green. And then it just says, you got all the answers right, so you're okay. If I start it again this time, if I get them all wrong, I didn't know I did that. When it resets, they don't reset to white. I'll have to change that, I suppose. Yeah, just like, if you get them right, they turn the right color. If you get them wrong, they turn the wrong color. And I'll fix that before I submit it. The color change thing, so that they reset to white. Good thing I made this video. I want to notice that. We'll see what happens. So then it says you didn't finish in time, and instead of having time up there, it says time's up, and then they reset and they show you all the correct answers. I'm not really sure what else you'd like me to show you. I know you said the video needs to be 5 minutes. I can show you really quick like how I did the code for the green. I'm not sure if this is exactly what it was asking for when I was talking about sound. I find sounds really annoying in apps, so that's why I just did color instead. But we can get the code to actually come up, and I'll show you. So at the very bottom, I came in and I just made a quote and value change for each individual text box. I assumed that was right, but I wasn't positive, and then I just had a color set to them. But I suppose I'll come up here and just add into it that reset to white before the value change. And that should fix that problem. Yeah, that's my app. Thank you so much, Brother Thane, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.